on gems like stars in the night. Hands become galaxies under the light. In Reshma's nail studio. Neon lights hum a little too bright. Colors clash like a Saturday fight. Glitter rains falling from the sky. Pink and blue, I don't even ask why. She spins her brush like a DJ's track. One coat on, there's no turning back. In Reshma's nail studio, dreams collide. Tiny canvases where secrets hide. Swipe, dip, paint it bold. Stories told in marigold. Coffee cups next to acetone spills. Jasmine incense chasing the thrills. Gossip flies like a paper plane. Every shade's a mood, every mood's insane. She dabs on gems like stars in the night. Hands become galaxies under the light. In Reshma's nail studio, worlds combine. Acrylic hopes, glittered signs. Swipe, dip, paint it loud. Every nail, a tiny cloud. She dabs on gems like stars in the night. Hands become galaxies under the light. In Reshma's nail studio, worlds combine. Acrylic hopes, glittered signs. Swipe, dip, paint it loud. Every nail, a tiny cloud.
One hour later.